Hello and welcome to today's episode of T-Sarp. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
Hi guys.
So, a lot is to be said today. There's so much stuff going on with Kidoyo and with Gimkit and, first in a long time, but AI. So, let's get right into it. So, I guess because it's been so long, we'll first talk about AI. So, Google's new AI is out to everybody. We might have talked about it a little bit a long time ago. It's called BARD, and it's another chat AI, just like ChatGPT. But now it's open to anyone with a Google account, so you can sign up. And it's pretty cool. My first looks at it, I noticed that it's definitely a lot faster than ChatGPT. It can code just like ChatGPT. What it can do that ChatGPT can't is that it can search the internet. So there's a lot of features that's pretty cool with it. So if you haven't looked at it, I would definitely check it out. I've noticed that its answers sometimes, like its coding, it can code, but it's not as good as ChatGPT. But definitely faster. So if you want like a fast answer to a question, like if you're doing homework and you need to figure something out, like can you explain this to me, or if you're studying.
Cheating though.
Not cheating, but asking it like to help you or to study. The other night I said, here's a list of questions, ask me, multiple choice, I'll answer them, and when I answer them, spit me another one and I'll answer it again. And I turned it into a Quizlet or any of those, and so you can really use it for educational purposes. So it's really cool. So I would definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description. But now, on to the topic that everyone is waiting for, very exciting. The new Kidoyo theme for the high school hackathon came out today. And I mean, right now, I think all of us are really interested in it. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's one of the most unique themes I've seen in a while.
Yeah, I mean, that's a theme that we've been seeing throughout all the themes this year, that they're very unique, and I like that. Last year there was a lot of history, but this is like very unique and definitely not history. So it's interesting. If you don't know, if you're a new listener or you just don't know about them, Kidoyo, a company for teaching kids coding in school and out of school, releases a hackathon every year. They're in-person hackathons it starts with the 7th and 8th grade, then 6th grade, then 4th and 5th grade, and then high school. So this is the last one of the year, the high school hackathon. And I'll say it right now, the theme is Element Conquest Battle Arena, which is quite a name.
High School Division 2023.
Yeah, wow. High School Division. It's the Kidoyo Element Code Conquest Battle Arena 2023 High School Division. Quite a name.
Wow.
Yeah, so it's a really cool map. I would love if everyone looked at it because it's really cool. It starts off where you start in the middle. Everyone's CDPs, the Capital Defense Projects, are in the middle of the screen, and then you immediately have access to 4 quizzes. These quizzes are called auto gates. Now, in other hackathons, if you get the auto gate, you have everyone has access to the same territories. Now it's different because if you get one auto gate, you'll only have access to one section or one element, and each one of these elements are close to a bunch of territories, and then there's a line separating them. So one auto gate gets you access to one section. There's 4 different sections, 4 different auto gates. So it's definitely cool. The different elements are fire, water, earth, and what's the last one?
Oh my god.
I think it was
air. Last one.
Yeah.
I knew that. So yeah,
in the wrong order too.
It doesn't matter what order they are in. But yeah, so they're definitely really cool, and I think it's quite a cool map. I know for some people who are interested if we'll be at the hackathon. Sadly, we will not, but we'll be watching the live stream, the map. ESM will be doing the live stream, so I'm excited to see what they do, seeing who they interview, and just cool stuff that they have in store. So it will be cool. I mean, the only people besides us who have done a live stream was Bethpage, and they did a really good job, so I'm excited to see what ESM does.
Yeah.
But it's going to be a very exciting hackathon. And I know the most exciting part, what you guys were all waiting for, is the sticker. Now, I've personally seen the sticker. The sticker, I don't know. I think it might be on Twitter somewhere. You'll have to really go searching for it. I don't have a copy of the photo. But yeah, so I've seen it. It looks really cool. It's an Oyo bot with all the elements over its head. And yeah, I mean, it's definitely, I like how it gives those pops of color, with the different elements. And it really just looks like nice. And I'm happy that they were able to incorporate an Oyo bot, because out of 3 of the 4 of the stickers this year, there was an Oyo bot, but for one of them, there was not. But I think I really like the ones with the Oyo bot, so I'm happy they were able to include it. And this is this is kind of tied with steampunk for me. What do you guys think?
I think it's about the same for steampunk. Like, I like how it's like not the original Oyobot pose, because most of them he's just standing still. This one,
Yeah, I was gonna say
he's
that.
in a
I
cool
like the
pose.
Yeah, it's kind of like lunging, yeah.
pose.
Yeah.
It's definitely a cool one. So hopefully, actually, we have a plan to get the stickers. Since we will not be at the hackathon, it's gonna be hard for us to get the stickers, right? But tomorrow, we're getting our second shipment of TSARP stickers. I don't know where I've posted the photo. Maybe I haven't, but I'll post the photo of what they look like. And the reason we ordered a second shipment is because the first one was a little dark, so I got lighter ones, like the background, and they look great from the preview. Sam designed them, our in-house graphic designer.
It's me.
So our idea is we give 3 or 4, I don't know. I was thinking we always give stuff to Trish, Melora, and Dev. And the reason is because Dev is Dev, Melora is Melora, and Trish just happens to be there.
Sorry about
No,
that.
Trish is great, but she's always at the hackathons, and the mentors aren't like the other mentors. So it's hard to give them stuff. But hopefully, maybe we'll send some extras along. But at minimum, we're thinking of giving 3 TSARPs in exchange for 3 element stickers. Now, Mr. Ferrara, our teacher, has been wanting one of the elements. But if you can get, if they accept the deal, hopefully he'll get one too. But that's the idea. We'll give them TSARP stickers for the new stickers. And from a photo we recently saw of Kidoyo stickers, they have a lot of old ones, meaning I bet they probably will have a lot of the new ones too. So hopefully they can spare 3. 1 for me, 1 for Sam, 1 for Steven.
My name's Steven.
Yes, it is.
Wow.
So also announced, I think this weekend, was that there's going to be a new library for the Python 3 editor released on Thursday. Now, for more context, you can look at the live stream we did for the UE hackathon, where Melora actually talked about this and said that there's going to be a new library. She said it was going to be released on the day of the hackathon. Now we're hearing the day before. And so we don't know what it is. I'm expecting that it's going to be custom made, though I could be completely wrong. But the reason I think it's going to be custom made is because there's a lot of hype we've been hearing about this hackathon and about what's going on. And for a long time, too. I don't know who said it, but someone, an unknown source, said that people are either going to love or are going to hate this hackathon. And now they said there's going to be a new library. And Dev also said that this new editor, that they've been working on, which we've seen in the beta, with this new library, will go places no editor at Oyo class has gone before. So, I mean, they're building a lot of hype for this library. And it's interesting because it's not just a library for the hackathon. It's a library for everyone. You don't have to be in the hackathon to use it. So that really begs the question, what is it going to be? And my thoughts is it's custom made, like I already said. But I think since it's custom made, it has to do with Oyo class somehow. I don't know. I'm thinking they're kind of changing the whole hackathon idea here. I'm thinking they're really going big and big and beyond, far and beyond. I think they're going to make it instead of working on specific languages, that they might make it more I don't know. I want to say a code cache through like Kidoyo or like I don't know. I really think that this custom editor will like be with editing stuff on Kidoyo. Like I don't want to say like yeah, just finding details, finding hints somehow throughout Kidoyo. I don't know what it is. It's really up for speculation. And I mean that's what we do. You know, we take in the facts and we really come up with theories that we have, and that's my theory. I think it's going to be a custom-made library that has to do something with the Oyo class site. That like it's maybe kind of like a scavenger hunt. I don't know. It's going to be very interesting to see. There's a lot of hype building for this library. There's a lot of hype building for this whole hackathon, so I can't wait to watch the map and the live stream. It's going to be an exciting one. And yeah, hopefully we can snag those stickers and you know trade our new stickers. So we'll keep you updated. The stickers should be coming tomorrow. We have a bunch, right? So if there's an event, I don't know when the next event's gonna be that we'll be at. I guess technically the junior hackathon next year. So it's gonna be a long wait. But if you want one, we'll bring some extras at wherever we go. You know, probably the junior hackathon is the next thing. Next year. So if you want one, come up to us. We only have a few, so first come, first serve. But you know they'll be there. That's how you can get them. We're not shipping them. We're not selling them. It's just if we're there and we have them, you can have one.
I'm just saying, if you meet me in the alley around back at like 10, then I'll give you some.
10 a.m. or p.m.
It's up to let's figure it out.
Yeah, the alley behind TSARP headquarters.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go there if you can find it. If you can find it, don't go behind my house.
P.S. It's in a basement somewhere.
Wow, an alley behind a basement? That's quite something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So to top off this fantastic episode is some GimKit news. I know everyone loves the GimKit news. The GimKit news for today is the new GimKit Creative. You can share the game modes you've been working on. So that's very exciting. If you've made a game mode and you want to share it, you can now share that, publish it on the GimKit, you know. And yeah, so that's our GimKit news. And I guess I lied. To really top off the episode is In Brackets. The In Brackets will be finishing up tonight. So if you want to get your final votes in, you can do that. Link in description. And yeah, currently I'm beating Sam by 5 points, though I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to win since I can literally change the votes. But hopefully, we have a very interesting ending. Steven, you need to grab some points. What, you're behind by 1 point?
I think, yep.
Everyone vote for, I don't know what his punches is called. Vote for
dog.
Steven. Vote for the dog.
Woof Video On is winning by a landslide, so I don't expect that to really change. Good Boy Fetch is winning in the first matchup by about 6 points. So that will probably, you know, that might change. You know, we have tonight, so we're announcing it now. If you want to get your final votes in, now is the time. So, thank you all for listening to this pretty long episode. 15 minutes.
Wow.
Sorry for making you wait this long.
Well, technically you can pause and leave anytime, and, you know. But thank you all for listening, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.